This is our 8-tap cage system for layer chicken in Togo, West Africa. It's 4-length and 5-gear system which keeps 15,000 birds in one house. This system is fully automatic for feeding and drinking and manure removing, and egg collection system in a control house with climate control system. This house size is 100 meters long and 12 meters deep and 4.5 meters high. This system is under installation and will be finished in 40 days. 8-tap cage system is modern design for chicken farming. It's saving cost of land and labor. 8-tap system will become the future. Please kindly contact with Poultry for the house layout and quotation sheet. We will offer you the best design and price.